Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I am back with another Dollar Tree haul. um, I wanted to come on real quick to share some of the items that I found. Some of them you have already seen, and some that I think will be interesting to pick up. Okay. Um, so first off, I picked up these little reusable containers, mini containers. I wanted to store some things in this. Next, I found some stickers. I thought they were unusual, different, that I haven't seen in my Dollar Tree. I went to a different one, and I love this window, so pretty. And it's looking inside. It has stickers here. There's 5 pieces. So there's this, and then here's a window box down here. Isn't that cute? So I really like that. And then I found these rub buns that are just awesome. And I don't know how many sheets of paper. I think it's just one. Let me see. Yeah, it's just one piece. It's only one piece. I should have bought more because I love everything about this. So I got that. And then I picked up these foam cauldrons, and I don't remember who I watched on YouTube. It was a Dollar Tree haul, and she said she wasn't a St. Patrick's Day crafter, but she saw these and she immediately thought of Halloween, and I'm like, that is a great idea, because why would you have cauldrons, these foam cauldrons for for St. Patrick's Day? I don't know. The story behind that. Maybe it's because of the pot of gold, and this is the pot that the gold would be in. I don't know. Anyway, so I thought that was a brilliant idea. I do not know who mentioned that. I would give that person credit, but I don't know. So if you know who you are, put it, comment down below, because I thought that was a brilliant idea. So I got 2 of those. And then I was super excited. I found these little notebook travelers. They look like little travelers notebooks. You know, there's 60 sheets in it. It's 4.06 inches by 5.71 inch, which is a perfect size, and it has 2 signatures in it, and you can replace these little books with something else, or you could, take these out and add your own, because these are really good, well-made traveler's notebooks. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I'm doing a giveaway on a couple of these books. So if you're interested, all you have to do is be 18 years and older and comment on my Instagram post. Okay? And I think that is it. It's a small little haul. I really wanted to see if this Dollar Tree had the dies and the stamps, but no luck. I'll just have to be patient. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.